Hello everyone and hello friend. Good morning. So usually in the morning I make video guys. So I'm upload in YouTube. So everyone. So now I don't have breakfast. And have you breakfast everyone? If you done breakfast now, you go to buy breakfast or buying breakfast or cooking in your room, your home. Sorry. So everyone, so maybe now I'm not in my room, but I'm in front of room my friend. So now after I make vlog, I wanna breakfast because now I'm hungry because if I don't breakfast, I don't strong to working in today. So in today, I don't come to campus, guys. But maybe after my video, if I'm not lazy, maybe I'm go to campus. Mau di kampus dia? Hah? Tanik nggak vlognya? Atau yang bagian nih? Nelpon Wendy juga aku baru. Hayatong yang bagian nih ini. Wendy. Kita ako. Ah? Oo na. Drama bilhin ko no? Hindi ko na. Pathol lo ko na. Sulang ang tayong begi yun ko na. Just tangguhan. Sekolah di sekolah. Sekolah di sekolah. Sekolah punya video nih ber toto ber. Okay everyone. So in today all student comment from headmaster for calling mom for come to school in tomorrow because in tomorrow maybe all apa wali murid all parent all student meeting with headmaster about festival anniversary school guys. But because I'm now make video, so I don't give student to call parent guys. Parent. So everyone, maybe in June month, in here anniversary school Yodaro, and this is stuff from now. It is prepare to festival guys. So everyone, now my friend Fathul come to menuju kampus baru. Dia lah itu. He just take a bath, guys. Kusap laruan kah? I'm sorry guys, my face not brightness because I don't wash my face, use special wash. So I'm washing my face, use water. That's all guys, not use special wash. So because in here, not my room, so my facial wash in my room guys, so I don't use special wash. So everyone, this the time is long for speak, but I don't know. I speak
Ya Allah ya Rabbi, beri kebahagiaan. Ya Allah ya Rabbi, beri keselamatan. Tubuh dan santrinya, untuk pengikut dan pencintanya, untuk kerabat dan jamaahnya, untuk pendiri.
Okay guys, now I'm in Pijot guys, and I'm with Abah, and I'm pick up in DG. So everyone, now start from 1 minute until 6 minutes I'm in Moyot, and next 7 minutes until 15 minutes I'm in Pijot guys. So everyone, so now I'm pick up in BG. So everyone, I'm used to car now for pick up MBG because I'm with Abba, and MBG a lot of and not now for use motorcycle. باللغة العربية لا باللغة الساكية.
Lembaga.
So everyone, tayo na sa talin. Ha? Amam. Sad! Tayo sa talin. Mana? Pagawe itu dia. Ekek. 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 Sekarang. So everyone, now I'm very hot in here, but in here it's cool. I don't know. So everyone, Now I'm in Pijot and I'm with Abba for pick up in Biggie, guys. So the weather is good. So the weather is brightness, not dark. So everyone now maybe after I make vlog I'm break maybe a few minutes and I'm go home to Moyot maybe because now in Pijot uh, layatan guys. So all student exclusive Pijot go to layatan guys, layatan in Pijot. So that is okay. So now because I'm not use quarter Muslim wear, so I cannot stay in here because in here nothing student because all student go to kuburan. So everyone now I wanna breakfast now because I don't have breakfast and I'm breakfast with MBG, use MBG. So everyone now MBG for 2 days and today and Saturday. So MBG a lot of so I'm used the car for pick up. Okay guys, you see look at that student breakfast in BG. And again. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you all of you always watching my video guys. Thank you so much. See you next time.